Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your identity with LifeLock step by step clearly. Start by visiting the LifeLock website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Review the features included in each plan carefully. Once you've made your choice, click on the Continue button. Fill out the required personal information in the sign-up form. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Create a unique username and a strong password for your account. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your information, review it for accuracy. Then, proceed to the payment section. Enter your billing information and select your preferred payment method. Make sure to check if any promotions are available to reduce your cost. Once you confirm your payment, your LifeLock account will be created. Next, you will receive an email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Log into your LifeLock account using your new credentials. Now, you can set up additional security features. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Configure alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. You can also customize your credit monitoring settings. Review your dashboard regularly for updates and alerts. Make sure to keep your personal information up to date in the dashboard. Finally, take proactive steps to educate yourself about identity theft. Familiarize yourself with the resources and tools available in your LifeLock account. This knowledge will empower you to act quickly in case of an alert. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.